Hi guys, today we're going to be making Atlantic cod. Look at this Atlantic cod, it's how white and cod fish fillet. We need 6 ingredients. So we need almond flour, garlic powder, sea salt, eggs, black pepper, and the most important recipe, the cod. Add almond flour and some garlic powder and salt. Then we might need a little pepper. Nice and mixed up. Get very thorough. Take the fish and dip in the base. Like the bread. Minutes on each side, and then add the next fish. Now let's keep this aside. Okay, where's the spoon? Take the oil. Okay. Now let's take the fish. That's all. Only 2 ingredients. So the baby bok choy on the same pan we did for the codfish. So after it gets nice and oily and hot, then we're gonna add some baby bok choy. So now fresh baby bok choy. So let's add it in here. It's already burn it up. Ooh, that's so good. More baby bok choy and a little more. Keep adding more until it's done. 2 more. Now it's good. Now let's close the lid. for 3 minutes. Now, yes. Now let's take the okay, now we're gonna add some soya sauce. Not like the whole soy sauce. And now I just cooked the food. I had some and I like colors, so I had some berries, so it'll be super duper colorful. Who doesn't like a colorful plate? I had some berries, so my plate is colorful.